A very good morning to one and all. Welcome to Geography class, 13 March 2021. In this revision series, we are going to see the next chapter for the revision purpose. In this revision point, we talk chapter number 1, India size and location, chapter number 2, physical features of India, chapter number 3, only map work will be there, chapter number 4, climate, and now we are on the last chapter, that is the natural vegetation and wildlife resources. So dear cadet, in this presentation again we are going to have the discussion on the 5th chapter, natural vegetation and wildlife resources. Moving further, this chapter is focusing on the types of vegetation as well as the factors which are very important and essential for the growth of any natural vegetation and wildlife. So coming to the question answers of the chapter number 5, in this revision part, natural vegetation and wildlife, they depends on the different factors for their growth and development, and they are having 5 types which are present in India. Monsoon forest covers the most part of our country. Then after that, the map work is very important. We are going to discuss on that in our next video. So dear cadets, please pay the attention to the question as well as the answer. The natural vegetation, question number 1, question number 2, like that I am going to show you. After that we will discuss. Next, moving to the question number 1. So the question number 1 for you is here. Question number 1. Please read the question. Question number 1 speaking to you. The number of flowering plants in India is about. So the answer is here. Please read out the answer also. So answer is 15,000. So the number of flowering plant in India is about 15,000. Moving further to see the question number 2. Name 2 non-flowering plants. Please read the question properly. Let's check out the answer. So the 2 non-flowering plants, out of these 3 you can write any 2, just like algae and fungi. These are the non-flowering plants. Moving toward question number 3. Question number 3, please read it. The sandy soil of desert supports dash. Let's check out the answer. So the soil is speaking supporting nature. To which plants? So that's the cactus and thorny bushes. The sandy soil of desert supports to the cactus and thorny bushes. Next, question number 4. Please read the question. The question is Sundari trees are found in. So you have to write the answer where the Sundari trees are found in. Let's check out the answer. So the answer is tidal forest. It can be mangrove forest also. Both will be same. Question number 5. Question number 5 is a very large ecosystem on land having distinct type of vegetation and animal life is called dash. So read the question properly. A very large ecosystem on the land having the distinct type of vegetation and animal life is called dash. Let's see the answer. So it's biome. Moving toward question number 6. At higher altitude, mosses and lichens form part of dash. Let's see the answer. So they are the part of tundra vegetation. Moving toward question number 7. The dry deciduous forests are found in areas having rainfall between dash. So here the question is speaking to you. You have to write down the rainfall of the dry deciduous forest. Because already as told to you, the deciduous forests are of two types, moist and dry, wet or dry. So in that, the dry point is speaking to you. Let's check the answer. So the rainfall between 100 centimeter and 70 centimeter. The dry deciduous forests are found in an area having the rainfall between 100 centimeter and 70 centimeter. Moving toward the next question. Question number 8. The mangrove forest, that means the mangrove, the tidal forests are found in the area of coastal influenced by the sea. So the reason is tides. Question number 9. The Royal Bengal Tiger is found in dash. So this is our national animal, is found in dash. As the word is there, Royal Bengal Tiger, you will get the clue quickly. So the answer is mangrove forest. Moving toward the next question. Question number 10. Please read the question properly. Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India in dash. So here the year you have to mention here. In which year the Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India? So the answer is 1972. Wildlife Protection Act was implemented in India in 1972. Moving toward the next question. Question number 11. Please check out the question. The natural habitat of Indian land is the dash. Let's check the answer. That's the Gir forest in Gujarat. They are the only last habitant of the Asiatic land present in India. Which type of forest does Sundari tree belongs to? So Sundari trees are belonging to which forest? In the previous part only we had seen they belongs to tidal forest or mangrove forest. Both the answer are going to be same. Moving to the next question. Quickly read the question. The moist tropical deciduous forests are more prominent in the eastern and the central part of the India because. The reason you have to tell. Question number 13, please read it properly. Let's check the answer now. So, the moist tropical deciduous forests are more prominent in the eastern and the central part of the India, and the reason is these areas experience the 100 to 200 centimeter of annual rainfall. Rainfall is more, that's why this moist deciduous forests are more prominent in these areas. Next, moving toward the next question. Please check out the question. The elephants are found in the hot wet forest of. So we are talking about the animal. Let's see the answer. The elephants are found in the hot wet forest of Assam as well as Karnataka. Please read the answer also. Question number 15. Please read the question properly. Where do flamingos migrate in large number in India? So you have to suggest the name of the place for this answer. Answer is Run of Kutch. So flamingo migrate in large number in India to Run of Kutch. Next question. Please go through the 16th question. Ebony, mahogany, rosebud, rubber and cinchona are the important trees of. By reading the names of the tree, you are quickly getting which forest it is. So that's a tropical evergreen forest. Let's check out the correct answer. So the answer is absolutely correct, tropical evergreen forest. Moving toward the next question, question number 17. What are tropical rainforests? So here you have to define what are tropical rainforests. Let's check the answer. Please read out the answer. These forests grows in the area having the annual rainfall for more than 200 centimeter. Dear cadets, just look the question. It's talking about tropical rainforest. So when the name is given tropical rainforest, that means it's a tropical evergreen forest only. But when we are talking about it's a rainforest, because huge amount of rainfall is occurring here. So due to the rainfall is more in this area, these forests are evergreen and well. Next, moving toward the next question. Next, please check out the question. The question is speaking to you. Where is the Project Rhino being implemented? Let's check the answer. So that is Assam. The Project Rhino was implemented in Assam. Question number 19. Where was the first bioreserve set up? So the answer is Nilgiri. Moving toward the question number 20. What does natural vegetation mean? So dear cadet, number of the time we had discussed about what are natural vegetation. Please go through it. Natural vegetation. Let's check out the answer. So natural vegetation refers to a plant community which has grown naturally without human interference or human aid and left undisturbed by human for long time. They are called as natural vegetation. Next, moving toward the next question. How do human beings influence the ecology of a region? So, here the point is very simple. You have to reflect the human activities which are very harmful and disturbing to the ecologic balance. Let's check the answer. So, human beings influence the ecology of a region in the following way: by utilizing the vegetation and wildlife of a particular region. Second, the greed of human being leads to the overutilization of these resources. Next, the last one, cutting the trees, killing the animals, and thereby creating an ecological imbalance. So all these activities are talking about the human activities with the human need and human greed. We are overutilizing the resources and harming to the natural vegetations and wildlife, and that's creating an ecological imbalance. Next, question number 22. It's talking about write a short note on mangrove forest. Let's check the answer. So here you have to write the features related to the mangrove forest. So mangrove forests, they are also called as tidal forest. They are found in the coastal influenced by the tide. That's why they are called as a tidal forest. Mud and slate get accumulated on such coast. Dense mangrove forests are there. They are a common variety with the root of the plant submerged under the water. The deltas of Ganga, Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri are covered by such vegetation. In the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, Sundari trees are found which provide durable hard timber. Plum, coconut, gur, etc. are grown in some part of the delta. So dear cadet, you have finished the chapter number 5 also, the revision part. Lastly, I want to thank to each and everyone for watching this video. Till then, be safe and secure at your home, and please see all the videos. Thanking to each and everyone. Jai Hind to one and all.